Hi there folks, Levi Kuhn here at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialist. Check out our website, www.truckandrv.com, to see all of our inventory. For sale today we have a 2005 Forest River Lexington. It sits on the Ford E450 chassis. It's the 270 model floor plan. It's powered by the Triton V10 engine. If you have any questions on this RV, give us a call at 419-899-2020. I'll bring you inside the RV now. This unit will sleep up to 4 people. We can sleep 2 on the sofa bed here and 2 on the queen size island bed in the rear. It has nice wood cabinetry everywhere. The large flat screen TV up front here, with your entertainment center for your CDs and music right beside that. We've got leather front seats. This one's got just a little over 25,000 miles on it. We've got vinyl in the hallway here, going back to the bedroom. We've got your half-time oven, which is a microwave and convection. We've got solid surface countertops, Corian countertops, 2-burner cooktop, kitchen sink, gas or electric refrigerator. Got your control center here. Has an Onan 4K generator. Bathroom sink with medicine cabinet. Queen walk-around bed with a wardrobe on each side and cabinets overhead. Spinning back here, here's your restroom. Got your toilet and your stand-up shower. Nice clean unit, low miles, everything works. It's ready to go. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call. Kuhn Truck and RV, 419-899-2020.